The combination of Tiemac with Microsoft technology stacks provides tomorrow's logistic cloud solutions for today's transportation industry. Tiemac Solutions applies artificial intelligence, big data, machine learning, mapping, GPS, and cloud technologies to increase operational profitability through increased vehicle utilization, increased end-to-end visibility, and reduction in vehicle miles traveled. Tiemac has built two separate platform solutions for the transportation industry. One solution, Crew Account, focusing on automation of the long mile sector. The other solution, Zips, focusing on automation of the short mile sector. The focus of this presentation is long mile sector, specifically for commercial trucking. The Crew Account technology comprises of three integrated components. 1. IoT devices management of truck and trailer. 2. Fleet management. 3. Driver and regulatory management. Tiemac's Crew Account solution is built in partnership with Microsoft, leveraging Microsoft Azure Cloud. Three separate and connected IoT devices underpins Tiemac's Crew Account. 1. Tiemac J1939 connected IoT device inside the vehicle. 2. Tiemac connected IoT 4-channel camera system. 3. Tiemac Windows 11 tablet driver app. The Crew Account solution was developed to solve everyday trucking problems facing the sector. We understand the long-haul trucking business and the associated primary pain points. Tiemac innovative solution and operational approach is for any size trucking company, from owner or operators to large enterprise fleet operations. Crew Account provides for automated visual real-time alerts and notifications. Dispatchers know where each truck, driver, and load is in real time. Dispatchers, shippers, and receivers can visualize in real time when and where each truckload is with visibility in BOL, seal, trailer number information. Owners know and are able to visualize in real time for each truck its engine, powertrain, brake system, tire, and other vital areas with real-time and continuous engine fault code diagnostic. Crew Account allows for drill down to detailed data on trucking assets, real-time engine performance, real-time driver performance and logging, real-time load status, real-time intelligent fuel-saving routing, real-time analytics for condition-based and predictive maintenance, real-time fleet KPIs and data roll-up to enterprise level. Given current industry and driver availability challenges, which includes HOS constraints, high churn, poor quality of life, very thin operating margins, increasing fuel cost, increasing maintenance cost to maintenance. Innovative solutions need to be deployed in the trucking industry to overcome much of these challenges. What are Tiemac innovative value solutions for the trucking industry? 1. End-to-end IoT, Advanced Telematics and Fleet Management Solution. This Tiemac innovation centers around the provision of real-time predictive analytics, data, and business intelligence to measure, control, and improve operational performance and profitability for companies operating in the commercial over-the-road transportation sector. 2. Tiemac Long Distance Load Interchange, Tldli, Marketplace Solution. This Tiemac innovation is a logistic solution that helps trucking operators to overcome regulatory imposed HOS constraints to revenue maximization. This is achieved by providing different operators the ability to pair up and exchange loads mid-point on long-haul round trips on select lanes. The loads exchanged may be deliveries for separate and usually independent brokers or shippers. Let's take a helicopter view in the logistics problem. A scenario without an intelligent fleet operations and load pairing system forces independent carriers to complete either or both a front and back haul as single carrier for the broker or shipper. For example, if Truck 1 takes a load from a broker or shipper that pick up in New York for delivery in Miami, that Truck 1 ownership is obligated to carry the load all the way. Conversely, if Truck 2 takes a load from a broker or shipper that pick up in Miami, Florida for delivery in New York, New York, that Truck 2 ownership is obligated to carry the load all the way. In either case, a one-way journey is approximately 2 days of drive time, and the turnaround journey is approximately 5 days, including HOS constraints. Both trucks or drivers would need to cover approximately 2,555 miles round trip and would have done so on a per truck or driver pre-negotiated aggregated tender rate of $5,200 for the round trip. This means that on a per truck basis, the economics of it is $2.04 per loaded mile. How can we improve this $2.04 per loaded metric for both trucks? Introducing Tldli Marketplace. Timac's long-distance load interchange. Tldli Marketplace solution allows cross-country deliveries to be done in up to 50% less time. The marketplace, with the embedded crew account technology, dynamically matches loaded trucks going in opposite directions over long distances, allowing load interchange halfway between pickup and drop-off. The marketplace's dynamic load pairing platform. Tldli dynamically pairs up in a marketplace two independently loaded dispatched trucks on a round-trip pickup delivery cycle on any given lane, where two drivers interchange cargoes at midpoint between the two ends of the lane. This allows one driver to complete the delivery of the load of the other driver. How Tldli Marketplace solves the logistic problem. The scenario with Timac's crew account intelligent fleet operations and load pairing system allows independent carriers to complete a turnaround as multiple carriers for the broker or shipper. For example, Truck 1 takes a load from a broker or shipper that picks up in New York for delivery in Miami, hands off the load midway to Truck 2. Conversely, Truck 2 takes a load from a broker or shipper that picks up in Miami, Florida for delivery in New York, New York, hands off the load midway to Truck 1. In either case, a one-way journey on a lane is now approximately halved, and the turnaround journey on the same lane is now approximately 3 days, including HOS constraints. Both trucks or drivers would now cover approximately half the 2,555 miles round trip and would have done so on a per truck or driver pre-negotiated aggregated tender rate of $5,200 for the round trip. This now means that on a per truck basis, the economics of it is now $4.07 per loaded mile. How Tldli Marketplace works. 1. Timac assumes overall load financial responsibilities. Pairing provisioning occurs through Timac's crew account end-to-end solution. 2. Each paired company truck may source own loads and then upload to Timac load board. Timac takes financial responsibility for the load with shipper or broker. Use Timac sourced loads. 3. Each participating truck is outfitted with and use the crew account end-to-end solution. 4. Requires, at minimum, pairing of 2 trucks on a lane for round-trip cycles. Major brokers Tldli Marketplace solution currently operationally aligned with includes Amazon Freight, Landstar, C.H. Robinson, Swift Night Transportation, Convoy, Uber Freight, Integrity Express Logistics, Werner Enterprises, J.B. Hunt, XPO Logistics. Timac has carrier relationship with these major industry players. Seamless inter- and or intra-industry player pairing provisioning occurs through Timac's crew account end-to-end solution. The
Tldli Marketplace solution with carrier services allows interoperability across siloed operations. In today's current siloed market, carriers working for, say, HB Hunt as the broker operates within the confines of JB Hunt's wall. These carriers are often owner-operators and small fleets. Therefore, when these owner-operators and/or small fleets get a truck dispatched by JB Hunt on a load they do not have the size and/or scale to provide a relay option to handle long-haul transportation. This means these owner-operators and/or small fleets have the one truck go all the way from pickup location to drop-off location. Similarly, carriers working for any of the other listed brokers here operates within the confines of that specific broker's wall, and these owner-operators and/or small fleets face the same problem to have one truck go all the way from pickup location to drop-off location. Another major problem of this siloed operation is that an owner-operator and/or small fleet does not have visibility across each siloed operation. Therefore, an owner-operator on a dispatched load by JB Hunt picking up a load in Miami for delivery in New York is completely unaware of another owner-operator dispatched by Landstar or even JB Hunt picking up in New York for delivery in Miami. Given this lack of visibility in each broker silo and the anonymity between each owner-operator, either owner-operator is unable to negotiate with each other for transactional relay arrangement. The Tldli marketplace solution solves these siloed operational problems, thus making more capacity available to these large siloed brokers while simultaneously decreasing the turnaround time for each owner-operator and/or small fleet. The large siloed brokers deal directly with Tiemac, while Tiemac, with its crew account technology, handles the complexity of the Tldli marketplace and managing the owner-operators and/or small fleet participating in the Tldli marketplace. Keep in mind that more than 96% of trucking companies in the USA are made up of 50 or less trucks. Tldli marketplace solution is a win. Win for the industry.
Tldli Marketplace, in summary, for shippers or brokers, expedited shipping. Rate per mile payout by shippers or brokers for the full leg of the trip remains unchanged. For drivers, less hours on the road, more time at home, better compensation, better overall quality of life. For receivers, higher probability of on-time delivery, shorter delivery times, better overall customer service.